Planning to build your dream house in the Philippines? Hold on. Before you even pour the cement, you need to assemble your dream team. Building a house isn't a one-person show. It takes a village of professionals. First up, your architect. Think of them as the captain of your ship, the main designer who turns your vision into a blueprint, making sure your home is both beautiful and functional. Next, the civil or structural engineer. They are the guardians of safety, ensuring your house can withstand the test of time and nature by designing the foundation, columns, and beams. Then, you have your electrical and sanitary engineers. One plans all your wiring for lights and outlets safely, while the other designs the water and drainage systems. These are non-negotiable for permits. Depending on your project, you might also need a geodetic engineer for land surveys, a mechanical engineer for AC systems, and of course an interior designer and landscape architect to add those perfect finishing touches. Building is a team sport. Who's on your team? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home building tips.